Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into the exact Google account that holds the images you want. Next, open Google Takeout and immediately deselect all products except Google Photos so export size is manageable. Once done, pick export frequency. A one-time export is simplest. Schedule recurring exports only if you need regular backups. Make sure to check which albums are selected and that you have enough local storage for the expected file size before moving on to archive options. Now configure the export details. Choose ZIP for broad compatibility or TGZ if you prefer Unix tools. Set the max archive size, files larger than that split automatically. Then select a delivery method. Direct download link is fastest, but add to Drive or Dropbox if you need cloud-to-cloud transfer. Also verify album level selection. Include only the albums you want and decide whether to include shared album content. Make sure export size and delivery method match your storage and workflow needs before creating the export. When Google notifies you that the export is ready, download the archives and extract them into a clearly named folder structure so you can find albums quickly. You should verify a few sample photos and metadata, timestamps and locations to ensure integrity. Use checksums for large datasets. If files are missing or metadata looks wrong, rerun the export and double-check account selection and shared album settings, because shared content often requires separate inclusion permissions to be exported correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.